Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video review of the Lenovo Flex 5 laptop. This laptop boasts a 14-inch Full HD touch display powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor and 16 GB of RAM, with a 512 GB storage and AMD Radeon graphics. This laptop promises to deliver a powerful performance, making it perfect for both work and play. First up, let's take a look at the design and build quality of the Lenovo Flex 5. This laptop has a sleek and modern design with a durable and lightweight aluminum casing. The hinge mechanism allows you to easily transition from laptop mode to stand mode, making it perfect for when you want to use it as a tablet or for presentations. The 14-inch Full HD touch display provides a clear and vivid picture, and the touch capabilities are responsive and accurate. Whether you're watching movies, working on presentations, or just browsing the web, the display will deliver a fantastic viewing experience. Under the hood, the Lenovo Flex 5 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor and 16 GB of RAM. This combination makes this laptop perfect for demanding tasks such as video editing, graphic design, and gaming. With the AMD Radeon graphics, you can expect smooth and fluid performance, even when running multiple applications at the same time. The Lenovo Flex 5 also comes with a 512 GB solid-state drive, providing ample storage for all your files, photos, and videos. And with Windows 11, you'll enjoy a modern and intuitive operating system that is designed to make your life easier. In conclusion, the Lenovo Flex 5 is a powerful and versatile laptop that is perfect for both work and play. With its sleek design, responsive touch display, powerful hardware, and Windows 11 operating system, this laptop is an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a new laptop. Thank you for watching today's video review of the Lenovo Flex 5 laptop. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.